Hello everyone. Let's start with a new chapter today, Just Like a Man. It is written by John Keats. It's a nice and a very sweet short poem. So let's go through it. The situation depicted in the poem is an everyday occurrence in many of your own homes, and you will enjoy reading this humorous poem written by John Keats. Now let us start with the first stanza. He sat at the dinner table with a discontented frown. Now here he is the man of the house. So when he sat at the dinner table, he has come back after a whole busy day and now finally he is here for the dinner. So when he actually sat at the dinner table, he was dissatisfied. He had that frown that he was not at all happy. The potatoes and the steak were undone. So now, when he was sitting there, he was looking at the food. According to him, the potatoes and the steak were undone. They were not at all properly cooked. And the bread was baked too brown. And maybe the bread was overcooked. The pie was too sour and the pudding too sweet. So when he must have tasted the pie, he felt that it was too sour, and the pudding it was over sweet, and the roast was much too fat. The roasted food, the roasted meat, maybe it had too much of fat. The soup so greasy, too and salty. Now the soup which was there, maybe it was too greasy. Greasy means oily. And it was too salty. 'Twas hardly fit for the cat. Means even that soup was not really fit for the cat. See, I've given here a short explanation. In this poem, there is this poet's conversation with his wife. So as he sat for the dinner, he saw underdone meal, means he saw the meal that was not properly cooked. To that he claims that his mother was an excellent cook. He saw her making those delicious foods and describes how his mother used to make bread and pie. So maybe he was not happy with the food and therefore he tells his wife about his mother, that my mother was a better cook. She knew how to cook food. Now let's move to the second stanza. It says here, I wish you could eat the bread and pie I've seen my mother make. So he wishes his wife could actually eat the bread and pie that was made by his mother. They are so nice and would do you good just to look at a loaf of her cake. So he says here, the food that she cooks is very nice. It will be good for you to have a look at the way she cooks her cake, said the smiling wife. Now the wife was quite patient. She had patience, she was quiet and she smiled. And with a smile she says to her husband, I'll improve with age, but now I'm but a beginner. So she actually says here that she needs time to improve and right now she's just a beginner. But your mother has come to visit us. So she's telling her husband that your mother, whose mother? Husband's mother, has come to visit them. And today she has cooked the dinner. And the food that he is hating is actually cooked by his own mother. Now the same explanation here. Then his wife replies, that's not an issue. She's just a beginner. Who? The wife, and will do better in future. And then surprisingly the poet comes to know that his mother has come to visit them. And the dinner presented on the dining table was made by his mother, not his wife. That means here the man is the poet. So please don't confuse yourself. Here the poet is the man Now here's this picture from your book itself. You can see how the food is there on the dining table, how unhappy the man looks, the smile of the wife, and of course there's the mother. Please listen carefully. This poem is short and sweet. It is very easy to understand. Just go through it, go through the explanation that I've given here. Read it nicely. Thank you.